when we want to use a spreadsheet, we have a couple of options, all right? If you're used to using Microsoft Excel, that's fine. But I'm used to using something called Google Sheets. And if I just type the word sheets.google.com, it will take me to this site where I have a bunch of Google Sheets, right? And then I look at this where it says start a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to click where it says blank right here. Now, if you've never done anything like this before, we're recording this video so that you can go back and look at it, right? So if it's like, wow, what did he just do? Where did he just click? All right, you can go back to the video and you can see what I did, what I typed in here, and where I clicked. So I'm going to click here for a blank spreadsheet. And then sometimes it works to copy and paste data from your homework. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, that's just one of the things that happens when you're trying to do things with numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type this data into my spreadsheet. I'm going to have a set of apples. There are different kinds of apples. I have Red Delicious, I have Granny Smith, I have Honeycrisp, and Golden Delicious. And I'm just going to abbreviate those. And then I have my number of bags, not BAPs, bags. 177, 116, 328, and 279. Now, what I'm hoping is that you can do this with me, right now on your computer. That you can go to Google Sheets, or if you want to do it in Microsoft Excel, if you're used to that, then that's okay too. But you can go to that right now and you can create a spreadsheet and you can type in these numbers so that you can know how best to do this on your own. All right, so notice how this data is set up. It's in columns, and the first row is the title of what the column is about. That's how this works. The first thing is a name for the data, and then the descriptions, and then the numbers. Now, once we have this, then we can make this into a chart by just using the mouse to select this information like this. And then I'm going to click up here on the word Insert Chart. And when I insert a chart, then Google says, oh, do you want a pie chart? And I'm going to maximize this so you can see a little better. You want a pie chart? And I say, well, we can start there, right? Google Sheets immediately knows, based on the kind of data that you have, you can either have a pie chart, a circle graph, that is, or maybe you want a bar chart. So right now, it has just created a pie chart for me, and it puts all of my percentages in it. And so I don't have to do any other work. I don't have to get out my compass and my protractor. All I do is just click on it, and I say, I want a chart. And Google says, oh, you want a pie chart? Yeah, here you go. This is a lot easier than trying to go through and doing this by hand, all right? So I want you to learn how to do this using a spreadsheet. So this, again, like I said, it's different categories, different numbers of bags, and then when we're looking at the percent, then we get it directly from this. That's a circle graph. But it's like, oh, well, no, I don't want a circle graph. I wanted a bar chart. I wanted all those rectangles. Well, Google calls this a column chart. So when I click on the column chart, it now does the number of bags here in the vertical, and it has the categories going across like this. So it looks very much like what was installed.